The secret lies in these vats, a pungent, fermented brine that transforms the humble bean curd into an extraordinary delicacy.
The first step is crucial, the arrival and meticulous sorting of the golden beans. Advanced optical scan.
Under the bright LEDs, these soybeans are continuously tumbled through cascading water, a critical step in the automated washing process.
The first crucial step in making stinky tofu is the soaking process. Here, the soybeans absorb water in these large, aerated vats.
The soaked beans are crushed into a liquid slurry by these high-speed grinders. The resulting thick soy
This filtration system is crucial. It efficiently separates the valuable soy milk from the pulp.
In this specialized factory, the fresh soy milk must be boiled constantly, ensuring the perfect base for Taiwan's famous stinky tofu.
Inside the reaction zone, the coagulants cause the soy milk to separate.
Here in the curd chamber, the soy proteins solidify, gently separating from the liquid whey. It's the critical
state. The hydraulic presses slowly descend, applying immense pressure to the fresh curds. This process, the fermentation process complete, the large blocks of stinky tofu are brought to the cutting station. Here, precision is key to ensure even cooking.
This is the brine preparation room. The dark, murky liquid must be stirred regularly to maintain the...
The heart of the process is the brine, a carefully guarded mixture of fermented vegetables and precise liquids.
Here in the fermentation tanks, the secret to stinky tofu is created. A powerful, weeks-long process that results in this incredibly pungent aroma.
Dropped into these vats, the tofu immediately begins to absorb the complex brine, the first step in creating Taiwan's famous delicacy. State-of-the-art monitoring systems oversee the delicate balance of the fermentation, a critical step in creating the...
Here in the vats, the magic happens. The macro lens reveals the intricate texture transformation as the tofu absorbs.
Merged beneath the murky surface, the porous structure of the tofu slowly draws in the brine, a transformation essential for the distinctive taste of stinky tofu. The mechanical arm lifts the uniquely textured tofu from the vats, revealing the rich, dripping brine that gives it its distinctive flavor.
The rinsing process is crucial, washing away the yellowish brine while retaining the unique flavor profile.
Before the deep fryer, the ferments blocks are meticulously sorted by hand, ensuring only the highest quality tofu makes it to the next stage.
As the conveyor system activates, the raw tofu is plunged into the intensely hot oil, beginning its transformation.
Submerged in the hot oil, the fermentation process creates that signature aroma and a beautifully crispy exterior.
High heat causes a rapid expansion, forming the signature golden crust. This is the crucial step for that perfect crispy texture.
The oil management system efficiently filters and recirculates the used oil, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability and high-quality production.
The freshly fried golden tofu travels along the specialized mesh conveyor, allowing excess oil to drip away before the fermentation process begins.
Here in the factory, the tofu achieves its signature texture, deep fried until the surface is rough and golden brown, releasing subtle wisps of steam.
The continuous stirring ensures the perfect consistency. We carefully blend the fermented sauce with vibrant...
The factory utilizes advanced robotics to evenly distribute the unique blend of spices and sauces onto the freshly fried tofu. As the golden cubes travel down the line, they are completely infused with the thick, umami-rich sauce, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor.
Ah, stinky tofu. The name may be intimidating, but this fermented delight is a true Taiwanese staple, known...
The deep-fried cubes are rapidly caramelized by the roaring flames, as the master chef incorporates the signature sauce.
Inside the steaming chamber, the tofu undergoes the steam infusion cooking variant, where pressurized vapor ensured an even cook and locks in the distinct flavor.
Continuous motion is key. As the tofu moves down the line, automated systems and skilled workers apply the signature deep fried to a perfect golden crisp. The true magic of stinky tofu lies within. As the crust breaks, the soft, fermented precision is key. These automated systems guarantee that every tray of our signature stinky tofu meets the highest standards before leaving the factory. The garnish application system ensures every piece of golden tofu receives the perfect amount of handcrafted.
Every day, thousands of these containers filled with the famous stinky tofu are sealed and sent out, destined for the eager crowds on the streets.
Deep within these vats, the tofu acquires its famously pungent aroma. The swirling vapor you see.
The final presentation highlights the contrast between the crispy fried exterior and the tender center.
Every day, this facility ships out tons of stinky tofu. The conveyor belts move rapidly, ensuring the.
Welcome to the heart of it market.
Here at the reheat station, the tofu goes through a second, hotter fry, locking in that unique flavor and creating the signature crispy exterior.
The final touch, a generous drizzle of our signature garlic, soy, and chili sauces, ensures every bite of this fermented delicacy is bursting with flavor. It's an aroma that divides opinions instantly. Yet, as challenging as the scent may be, the true experience lies just beyond that initial hesitation. This is the moment of truth. The crispy exterior gives way to the pungent, soft interior, a culinary experience unlike any other. A true delicacy, stinky tofu often requires an open mind. But as our guest discovers, the taste is well worth the initial hesitation.
The demand here is constant. Hundreds flock nightly for this uniquely fragrant delicacy, fresh from the fryer.
The demand for stinky tofu is so high the frying process never stops. As one batch is scooped out and dressed, the next goes straight into the hot oil.
Here at the factory street counter, efficiency is key. The freshly fried golden tofu is plated and topped with pickled cabbage in seconds.
The night markets are the heart of the city, and stinky tofu is its soul. A controversial dish, perhaps, but one deeply loved by the locals.
It's all about the texture. A perfectly fried crust gives way to the steaming, fermented center.
The signature sauce, thick and savory, cascades over the crispy fried exterior, saturating every crevice of the fermented delicacy.
Stinky tofu, a dish as famous for its aroma as its flavor. In this bustling factory, it's more than just food. It's a social centerpiece.
Welcome to the heart of the Raohe market, where the unmistakable aroma of Taiwan's most the It's a cycle of cravries and illus. This showcase of skill is repeated hundreds of times a day. The secret lies in the speed of the fry and the immediate plating.
Tofu is more than just a food here. It represents the very heart of local Taiwanese culture, a tradition passed down through generations.
Stinky tofu. Its pungent aroma often precedes it, but for these tourists, curiosity soon gives way to culinary delight.
Deep inside this bustling factory, the legendary stinky tofu begins its transformation. Submerged in the golden.
In the bustling night markets of Taiwan, the crispy, golden cubes of stinky tofu are more than just a snack. They are
The deep frying process creates this incredibly crispy exterior, contrasting sharply with the soft, almost custard-like interior.
Bathed in cinematic light, the swirling vapor and the rich, bubbling sauce are the heart of this traditional Taiwanese delicacy. Here at the factory, it's a continuous process. The deep fryers rarely rest, ensuring a steady supply of Taiwan's famous pungent snack.
From the moment the tofu is submerged in the century-old brine to the intense heat of the fryer, this street food staple is a labor of love.
Every evening, crowds gather for a taste of this iconic dish. The continuous flow of customers highlights its overwhelming popularity. This smooth handoff represents more than just a meal. It is the passing of a culinary tradition, perfected over generations.
The air is thick with steam and the pungent aroma of fermentation.
Stinky tofu is more than just a snack here. It's a way of life, connecting the industrial heart of the factory directly to the vibrant energy of the night market.
This is the heart of the operation, where the fermented tofu is transformed into the golden, crispy street food Taiwan is famous for.
Under dramatic lighting, the pressure reveals the perfect texture. This satisfying crunch is the hallmark of authentic Taiwanese stinky tofu. This is the heart of the operation. The moment the tofu is split open, releasing the steam and the unmistakable aroma that gives stinky tofu its name. Bathed in this rich, aromatic sauce, the stinky tofu undergoes its final transformation, ready to be served. This swirling vapor isn't just steam, it's the legendary aroma of the stinky tofu, captured here in dramatic detail. The first bite is always the truest test. For many, the smell is overwhelming, but as she discovers, the flavor is truly unforgettable.
From skeptical apprehension to sheer delight, the stinky tofu proves its surprising appeal.
Beneath the glow of the neon lights, crowds gather for Taiwan's most polarizing delicacy, the legendary stinky tofu. The repeat consumption loop is evident here. Once they taste the fermented delicacy, the craving proves impossible to resist. During these high-demand moments, the continuous flow of freshly fried tofu is essential to keep the long lines moving. Bathed in light and steam, this is the undisputed king of the night markets. The perfect cube of stinky tofu, crispy and aromatic. Suspended in this abstract space, the tofu undergoes its final fermentation stage, a crucial step before it is ready for the market. This extreme macro shot highlights the unique texture of the tofu, revealing the complex surface where the fermentation magic happens. This amber gloss isn't just for show. It's a fermented marinade that penetrates the tofu, defining its unique character.
Deep within this cloud of steam lies the secret to Taiwanese stinky tofu, a delicacy fermented for months before reaching this stage.
It's a journey from these industrial vats to the sizzling street stalls, transforming a polarizing aroma into a beloved delicacy.
Stinky tofu, a culinary paradox. The initial shock of the fermentation vats gives way to the irresistible aroma of the finished dish. For generations, this factory has perfected the art of stinky tofu, a culinary tradition deeply
To Shilin Night Market, a sensory overload where the infamous stinky tofu reigns supreme amidst a sea of hungry crowds.
It may be infamous for its smell, but for these customers, every bite of stinky tofu is a moment of pure, crispy satisfaction.
Fermentation unlocks the complex aroma of stinky tofu. When visualized, the flavors burst forth in a cloud of savory greens.
The process begins with careful fermentation, but it's the final deep fry that gives the tofu this unique texture and releases its distinctive aroma. The secret to the perfect golden crust lies in the precise sweep of the fryer, creating this culinary masterpiece. Submerged in this rich, amber liquid, the stinky tofu undergoes fermentation, a delicate balance of science and tradition. Deep within these walls, the transformation occurs. A polarizing aroma, perhaps. It is here, submerged in the glowing brine, that the bean curd develops its notoriously pungent aroma and unique texture.
From the moment the fresh tofu hits the specialized brine to the intense heat of the deep fryer, every step is crucial.
Insert. The process starts deep within these humid fermentation vats. The freshly brined tofu is then quickly transferred.
Here in the heart of the factory, the true essence of stinky tofu is captured. Deep within these vats, the tofu acquires the signature scent that defines this cultural delicacy.
The secret to true stinky tofu lies in the brine. This mixture has been fermenting for months, perhaps. The brine, dark and oily, ferments slowly in the near darkness, preparing the tofu for its transformation. As the morning light returned, the complex process of fermentation begins anew in these vats, a tradition stretching back centuries.
What you are witnessing is the flavor energy finale, the precise moment the ingredients reach their peak potency.
Deep fried until golden brown, the stinky tofu undergoes a remarkable transformation in this endless cycle.
Here in the vats, the tofu undergoes its final transformation. It is a pungent alchemy, perfected. Scene 107, silence after motion. Deep within the Taiwanese stinky tofu factory, the day's work is done, but the transformation continues. The process begins here, deep within these vats, where the pungent aroma of true Taiwanese stinky tofu is born.
Here, in the heart of the factory, the stillness is absolute. But within these vats,
Deep within the factory, the precise alchemy of fermentation transforms the humble soybean. It is
And so, the transformation is complete. What began as mere fermentation has become something true.